Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Not that big a deal, but I thought if you watch the other parts, like, well, there's a bunch of parts, but this was like part 5 or 6. And if you've already made this and you've already done them, I made it really, really simple. So you could make another pattern with this same thing. It's 4x4. Set your nudge factor on 2. Hit the plus key and go up and over. And then you just hit Control D and it'll just keep going. And then you could take these and group them together, Control G, Control D, and move them over and down. And look at that. And then you could Control D to your heart's content. And you've got a completely different pattern if we look at these two things side by. And you could change the colors. You know, we would, you know what, I'm going to keep that. I like that blue one. But if you would select all these, and I've got them somewhat grouped together, go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup All. Ungroup will get you just, well, okay, still have to ungroup. Let's go here. That's pretty cool. Let's grab them all, go up to Object, Group, Ungroup All again, and see if we can just get one. Yep, no. See, that's what I don't like about Ungroup All sometimes, because it will take the individual pattern. So now we've got each little pattern, and you could go through there and very easily, like, take that top one, make it green. Take that, you know, let's leave those two blue. Let's make, it's a little bit hard to hit those because you've got to hit the lines. And you could also, to make it, I must have those grouped together, but I must have those ungrouped together. But anyway, you could change the color of all of them. Let's look at this one side by side. Let's make it, I right click, which is your outline. And let's take the black box effect and look at the difference in the two. Same exact pattern almost. Let's make our black box bigger. Same exact pattern. You've already done the work. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.